This holiday season, my life went through a lot of unexpected changes, and Christmas snuck up on me really fast. All I knew was that I wanted to be with my family. No presents exchanged, just time spent. And somehow, we ended up in the snow.
Wait, Mom, jump! Mom, jump! We're diving into the mix.
This is my Christmas vlog.
Good morning, Vlogtowski! We are going on an adventure once again. So this year, I really wanted to have a white Christmas. You guys know when I started my Vlogmas videos, I wanted to be in the snow just to get into that holiday spirit, that holiday vibe. I checked Airbnb. And there's an Airbnb available in Lake Tahoe. We leave tomorrow. I have to pack. I straighten my hair. If you ask me why, it's just because I wanted to do something different. And this isn't gonna be a usual thing because we want the hair to grow. But she looks great. She's really healthy, no breakage. When I straightened, this is like the first time in my life I straightened my hair and I had no breakage when I was like straightening it, which made me so happy. So that's a good sign. Lake Tahoe is beautiful in the winter. It's the most snowy wonderland adventure, I think personally, that you can get in California. So yeah, I'm going to pack and then I'll see you guys on the road tomorrow. We're waking up at 6 a.m. and we're gonna hit the road. Let's go. Hanalei, make that yellow snow. My hands are so cold.
Because you're not wearing gloves.
Hanalei's living her best life.
Oh gosh.
She's sleepy now. Oh, she's sleepy now. Oh my god, she's KO'd. Hanalei, are you tired? Did you have enough snow? We're about to head over to Tahoe. I think it's like 2 or 3 hours away. So we're gonna hit it right now so we get there like a little bit after sunset. Tahoe is 2 hours and 40 minutes.
It's supposed to snow at 4.
Here?
No, in Tahoe.
Oh, damn. Yeah, it says it's gonna snow. Yeah, let's hit it. All right, play that road trip music. All right, time to go down the mountain.
Okay, so basically the weather app said it was gonna snow in Mammoth and Tahoe, and I was thinking like, oh cute, just a light little snow. And it turned out that we basically were heading into a giant snowstorm and we didn't even know it.
Update guys, we're in Lake Tahoe and after driving in a snowstorm for like basically 2 hours, we got to Tahoe, we got to a gas station and the power in Lake Tahoe literally just went out.
Like right now.
Like literally right now.
Just went
I'm at the gas station and like legit the whole power is out in Lake
I
Tahoe.
saw it flickering and I was like, what is that?
Yes, I flickering and I was like, did Mom turn the car off?
Oh,
Yay!
Pump that gas.
Oh, run back and visit. Time to pump the gas. Update, the power just restarted again. I feel like it's gonna happen again. Okay, yep, it just went out again.
He just snaps his fingers and it like comes on. They're gonna leave the
Good morning guys and welcome to Lake Tahoe! Oh my gosh, guys, what the heck? So last night there was this intense snowstorm. It honestly should have taken us like 45 minutes to get to our Airbnb, but because the snow was so freaking bad, like, I mean, you guys saw, it ended up taking us 3 hours of pain and misery. But I just wanted to stay really calm because at the end of the day, I know a lot of you guys live in snowy conditions year round, or at least during the winter time. You guys deal with that stuff all the time. So I was like, Ava, calm down. But the cool thing was, I knew that tomorrow we were gonna have a white Christmas. And it is Christmas Day. Oh my gosh, guys, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas. Okay guys, I woke up this morning. This is my patio. And let me just show you. I'm not wearing any shoes, so I'm not gonna go out completely, but guys, look at this. It's beautiful. So anyway, I'm going to do my makeup and then my sister and I are gonna go outside and take some pictures before the lighting in the patio gets bad, which could literally happen really, really soon. So I gotta do my makeup. Shout out to the brand Glamcore because this mirror is so legit. They sent me this mirror and it's like so portable. I take it with me when I travel. And look guys, it's like a studio mirror. Watch, look. It lights up and then it gets super bright. If you're looking for a late Christmas gift, honestly, this is fire. I've recently just been using BB cream to do my foundation. And I've been using this one from Ipkin. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. It was on clearance at this place called Riley Rose. Oh my God, it's snowing outside. Oh my God. It's legit snowing outside. But yeah, I've been using BB cream, trying to protect my skin a little bit more. Much natural stuff as possible. That's the most full coverage as possible. For concealer, I use Tarte Shape Tape. So good. Let that marinate. Okay guys, so this is the fireplace. Yesterday, I tried to turn it on. The instructions were super bad. And then I figured out how to, Maya, can you say, like, the instructions were horrible.
The instructions were so confusing. It was like, first, you find the little gas lighter behind the TV, underneath the cabinet.
Then take the log lighters and all of that. And then I finally figured out how to turn it on and it literally exploded in fire in my face and I screamed and I jumped on my bed. So today I'm gonna do it again and I'm gonna have Maya vlog. Are we ready? I'm so scared. This thing exploded yesterday.
I can't wait.
I don't want to do this again.
You're not gonna. Let's think. Pros. Wait, no. Oh, jeez.
Oh, that one was minor. That one was less like crazy. Yesterday was like an explosion. My mom's having a photo shoot right now.
When the model is freezing and you get a clothes on.
Mom, show me your poses.
I have a few.
Oh my God. Oh.
Gotta get the angles. I said a cross for Jesus.
Wait, Mom, jump. Oh my God, I look like a freaking superhero.
That's what I was thinking. It's the boots too.
My mom got a new wig and it looks kind of ridiculous on her and I told her I couldn't rock it either, but I just put it on. Honestly, it looks better on camera. It's like kind of purple, but my mom honestly just looks a little funky in it and I don't think she should wear it in public. I mean, it's a look, but it's not, I don't know. Anyway, comment down below what you guys think of this wig. What you think of this color. Okay. Here's the wig. It's like red. Comment down below what you guys think of this wig.
Vlogception.
Vlogception.
Ew.
Good morning, guys. It is another day in Lake Tahoe. It is our last day here. We're packing up. We're moving out. We're moving our crap out. Today is a beautiful sunny day. Okay, it does not look sunny. Give it a second. Sunny day. Basically, yesterday was Christmas. We made pancakes for breakfast, and then after that, we basically just like pretty much left the house pretty late. We probably left the house at like, honestly, probably like 2:50 p.m. And we just drove around Lake Tahoe, looked at the views, played in the snow, and just had some fun. My sister and I filmed some video, and then we watched the sunset. Lake Tahoe sunsets are absolutely breathtaking. This morning I woke up and I'm feeling kind of sick again. I feel like I'm not completely over my cold. It honestly makes me out of breath vlogging. Checkout is in an hour. Oh my god. Every time I talk, my nose fills with like congestion. Oh my god. Checkout is in an hour. I'm just gonna talk how my body wants to. Oh. This Airbnb's instructions for checkout are so extra. Like, we have to like take the trash out, wash the towels, wash the bed sheets. And that is not my job. No, I'm just kidding. Hi, Hanalei. Hi, Stinky. Hi, Stinky. So, I think we're gonna pack up our stuff and yeah, enjoy the last few moments in this Airbnb and then hit the road and do some cool stuff along the way. So yeah, let's pack my stuff up.
Just packing my suitcase that I paid way too much money for because the suitcase is honestly a piece of crap and does not close and doesn't fit anything and it sucks. So do not buy this suitcase.
Yeah, no love on the ball.
That's not even fair. I don't have any ammo. You want some? Sure. You want some?
She just wanna feel the high, but she ain't made no sacrifice.
Hey, Mom. Go dive in there.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, she's making a good one. Flute angel.
Blue angel.
Hey guys, okay, so, oh my god, Hanalei.
Hanalei.
Currently out at this mountain. We're about to drive back home, but before we drove back home, I wanted to go to the snow one last time so Hanalei could play and also just get some cool shots. Hanalei's living her best life here. The snow is so powdery and it's like brand new and fresh, and Hanalei is like literally falling 5 feet into the snow and she jumps on it. But yeah, she's living her best life. So let's go have some fun.
I'm in love with someone who doesn't know I exist. And it's you, yes, it's true. You don't even know it, I can't ever win. Am I invisible? Should I let it go? Would you ever know? Am I just another crazy laying on the low? Am I invisible? Will you ever see what you do to me? Breaking hearts in the dark so easily. Am I invisible? Tangled up and tongue-tied.
Hanalei had so much fun, huh?
We're now back at the gas station where the power was out 2 nights ago. Looks a lot better with the lights on. Looks a lot less apocalyptic. Guys, I'm still finding sand in my hair from Hawaii. I'm like dead ass serious. Like I could probably find some right now. I'm still finding sand in my hair. Just getting gas so we can get home. Oh, the gas stopped. Hanalei, how you doing? Great. Time to drive home. So guys, obviously I've been listening to a ton of music on this trip. If you guys don't know, I have a Spotify account where I make playlists for you guys. So I'm gonna put my road trip playlist in the description box for you guys so you guys can listen to what I'm listening to. But yeah, it's been a really good road trip. I'm excited to go home. I think we're gonna stop at some cool places along the way. We have about 3.5 hours left of sunlight, and sunset's gonna be really, really pretty wherever we are. I'm sure it's gonna be awesome. Also, I just wanted to quickly say thank you guys so much again for commenting on my vlogs. It means the most to me. It, like, especially just This past month, I've just been working so hard on my vlog channel. The main channel is being a little bit neglected, but it's because I wanted to get the vlog channel, like, I don't know, I just wanted to get the vlog channel to where I wanted it to be, you know? So thank you guys for bearing with me with that. And also thank you guys for commenting and liking and turning your notifications on for the vlog, because this is like my happy place. It's become my like creative outlet. I need to think of something to do, like a comment squad or like a notification squad shout out. So please comment down below anything, like any ideas that you have on what I can do to give back to you guys for just like being so active on the vlog channel. Comment them down below. I think I'm just talking a lot because this is really good lighting. So I'm gonna shut up. Bye. See you on the road. Love you. We were driving on our way home and we wanted to stop at Mono Lake, which is this lake right here. Okay, we're driving on this road to get to Mono Lake. We're literally less than a mile away after driving like 200 miles. Like we got 1 mile away. This car was behind us, this one, like 100 miles ago. And yeah, so basically the guy came up to us and was just like, it's gonna be a really long time. There's a really bad accident, so just like chill. So we just turned the car off. And we're just gonna chill. We're just gonna park here until everything gets sorted. So yeah, time to just wait.
So we ended up waiting in line for this accident in traffic for 2 hours, and we missed the sunset, but it was okay because, you know, someone had an accident. Can't get mad at that. Just wanted to pray for them. So yeah, we waited and we had some family bonding time.
Update, it is a little bit later. It is now probably like, oh, it's 6 o'clock. The accident that we got stopped behind was really bad. We were stuck there for like an hour. But yeah, it was pretty bad. But now we're back on the road and we should be home in like 4.5 hours. I just stopped and got my iced coffee, got a cold brew, put my metal straw in, and yeah.